Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to the Simply Bound YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the extended Romanian crocheted cord. This cord is great to add on to projects, and it seems like it's complicated to make. It looks like it's complicated, but it is fairly simple to make, and we will get right into it. When making the Romanian cord, you start with a slip knot. And you chain 2 to begin with. And you're going to work a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So the first chain space, but the second chain from the hook. So now when you look at this, you see this V across the top from the single crochet you just made. Then there's this bar below it. That bar is where you are going to insert your hook for your next single crochet. So you'll insert it like that, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So now you're going to do the same thing, except that bar is going to be a double bar. So you'll locate the V, and below that there's those 2 bars. So you spin your work just a little bit. And those bars can be a little tight, so you might need to push your stitches on, or push the stitches so that your hook goes through. And then pull through both of those, and then finish your single crochet. Spin it one more time. You can see those 2 bars right there. Yarn over, pull back through the bars, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops on your hook. And you continue this for the length that you need for the project that you're making the Romanian cord for. And I will meet you at the end and show you how to work the extended portion of the cord. Okay, when your cord is the length that you would like it, see these little loops that are coming off the side on both sides of the cord? Those are the loops that we're going to be working into to make our border for the extended Romanian cord. So we're going to chain 1. I'm going to spin it this way so that I'm coming over. And you're going to slip stitch in each of those loops down. As you slip stitch, try and keep it a little looser. Don't pull it super tight because you don't want your cord to pucker. But if you just keep a nice loose slip stitch all the way down the side, when you get to the end of the first side of your cord, you will work into that last loop. I'm going to bring this tail over and work over top of it so that it's out of the way. You will chain 1 and then turn your work and slip stitch in each loop down this side of the cord as well. And I will meet you back at the beginning. Once you get back to the other end where you started, go ahead and slip stitch into that first chain one that you made. And then you can go ahead and when you sew your work together, you can sew this right into that spot right there. And your finished result will be this super cute little cord. This is what the back side looks like. So they look a little bit different on the front and the back, mostly because of the slip stitch. The actual Romanian cord itself is reversible, but when you add that slip stitch border to it, it does make it have a right side and a wrong side. But these are great to add onto bags, to make bracelets, to make a little belt, anything you would like to use it for. Thank you for tuning in.